Hey guys, in this video we'll be discussing classes and subclasses management. What the classes management does, it allows the school to put in the various classes that they offer, whether it's Form 1, 2, 3, 4, or if it's primary school, whether it's grade 1, 2, or 3, or 4, 5, or 6, or whether it's nursery school, whether it's year 1 or year 2. And the subclasses allow us to break down our classes. So, example, if we have 100 students in Form 1, it would be too big to say all the students are in Form 1. So we can then specify that if they're in Form 1A or Form 1B and so on. So to get to the classes management, we go to schools and then we click academic classes within the dropdown. Once you click academic class, we can see a list of all classes that is within the school. So to go ahead and add a new class, we just click on add new academic class. We put in a name, so let's say Form 2, we select 11, so this is secondary. We select what is the minimum pass marks for the class, so let's say 55%. And we can then go ahead and click save. And once you click save, we can see a new class is added. So let's add another class. Let's say Form 3. And actually it's secondary. And once we're finished, we just click save. And that's how we add classes within the system. From here, we can go ahead and add subclasses for each classes. So let's go to subclasses menu. We just click on school and we click on subclasses. And from here, we can see a list of all the subclasses within the system. We can see there's one for Form 1 and it's called Form 1E. So let's add another one for Form 1. If we go ahead, we can say 1 underscore B. We select the class. So let's say Form 1 and it's secondary and we can click save. Let's add one for Form 2. So let's say 2 underscore A. We'd select Form 2, whether it's secondary or primary. So we know this is secondary. So we select save. And we've added a subclass for Form 2. Now, to view the subclass or how we use it, once we're creating a registration for a student, we can then specify what class and what subclass they're in. So let me show you how this works. So let's go to a student, current students menu. Let's say we're dealing with Josh Wikisoon. And if we go to add registrations, and let's say add new registration, we can now see that within the academic classes menu, the new classes that we add, Form 2 and 3, is shown up. And let's say if we select Form 2, all the subclasses for Form 2 will show up here. So then we can specify which subclass he's in. And let's say if we select Form 1, then we can see the subclasses for Form 1 is shown here. So that's how we go about using the academic classes and subclasses management within the software.